Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Ford Taurus. Stock number is 18F593A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. Chrome wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise as well as audio controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Taurus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.